Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple bolt in Autodesk Inventor 2017, and here we will create a real thread in bolt. So let's see how to make this simple thread in bolt. I hope you like it. Here let's make a simple bolt in Autodesk Inventor. So let me choose here new is standard millimeter part. Create. Now here we will create a standard bolt with thread. So let me choose here plane, and let which plane do you can even choose plane from here also, and from here also. So we will choose XZ plane, whatever plane you can choose. Now here select polygon. Here keep 6 number of things, and inscribe point we will choose and select circle. Right click, OK, smart dimension, $19mm. Right click, OK. Now let me define this one. It is fully constrained. Finish sketch and simply select here extrude, and we will extrude up to 7.5mm. See, OK. Let me select here material. I like chrome finish, chrome polished. OK, and let me choose the top face, sketch, circle, draw circle up to this line, this point. This is fully, even no need to define, but it should be fully defined. 19mm. It's fully constrained. Finish sketch, click here extrude, and here select cut, not cut, intersect, because we want to intersect here. Keep distance through all, go to more and keep here taper 45°. Now you will see how it's going to cut in a 45°. OK, that's it. Select the back surface, sketch, circle, and let's draw here is circle with the diameter 11mm. It is also fully constrained. Finish extrude, and here we will extrude distance or join 40mm. Oh, that's look fine. If we select this corner, you will see a chamfer and fillet. Let make chamfer. Distance keep 1mm, and here we will distance method we will apply. OK. Even though you can apply fillet 1mm and select this corner. OK. Now it's time to apply here real thread. So what we will do, one thing, XY plane, a sketch. Now let's make here thread. Choose the line, connect from here to the center point. Now select horizontal line or vertical. Actually this is vertical for this. Select this one. Now it is in perfect shape. Let me choose this horizontal. OK, this is in perfect. Now OK, let's do one thing. Choose the line and connect with this point. Select horizontal actually this is vertical for y axis. OK, right click on the line, click construction line. The same way the center line, right click construction line. Okay, it's time to define 1.7 millimeter, and let's make the angle 60 degree. That's fine. And let's define this gap 2 millimeter. That's fine for our job. And here you will find fillet 0.2 millimeter and select this corner. Select these two lines. See here. That's it. Now this is fully constrained. Finish. Just click here coil, and here it is asking you profile already selected. So it is asking you axis. So which axis? This y axis. Now it's time to see a spiral. Go to coil size. Here choose pitch and height. Pitch 1.7 and height means the overall length. So we will make thread up to the end. See here coil shape, and here we need to select cut so that it will cut a thread. Okay, now look, our bolt is ready. Here we created a real thread in Autodesk Inventor 2017. This is non-standard, but this is the way you can create a real thread in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.